this video, we'll show you how to make GTA 5 always open in full screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if GTA 5 keeps launching in windowed mode every time you open it, you're definitely not the only one. And here I'll show you how to fix it, so every time you open it, it'll be on full screen. Alright, so the first method, we're going to use the built-in Windows shortcut, which is by pressing Alt and Enter on your keyboard at the same time, like that, and you'll be on full screen. So we need to adjust the settings in game. So let's go to settings, and then you want to go to graphics, and here make sure all the settings is to your likings. Close GTA 5. Now what we need to do is to lock the settings so it cannot revert to windowed again. To do that, you can open up File Explorer, and then you want to go to Documents on the left tab. Here look for Rockstar Games, which is this one. Open it up, and then you want to go to GTA 5, and the file we need is settings.xml. So here, let's open it up. You can right click on it and then select edit in notepad. Inside this file is basically your GTA 5 settings. Now you can change your settings from here. So for example, the window value is supposed to be 0. So make sure this is 0. So it'll be full screen. So after you're done, save this, click file and hit save, and then you can close it. And then you need to right click again on this settings.xml, hit properties, and then on the attributes, you need to check read only and hit apply. What we do here is to prevent GTA 5 to change the settings by itself. From now on, if you want to change your GTA 5 settings, you can uncheck read only and change your settings, and then make sure to check it again. And as you can see, my GTA 5 is on full screen every time I launch it.